Today we'll see how to make a tool for the adding the data. So whenever I'm working, I have to add a specific data at the time. So for that we can make a simple command using arcpy adding. So today we'll see how to make how to do that and how that working adding. So I'll show the code I have written for the Python add-in. So import Python add-ins. So in that I have written code here in that particular method that is on click. Once we click on that method, it will run the code. That is the arcpy. That is workspace I have given for that data from where I want to add the data. That mxt, that current mxt on it will be added for the current mxt. So list of that features and the next one add those other layers are here. So now I'll show you once it run. Next one, add in. Okay, so now I'll go for the architecture. So this is the a add a sample data. Once I click on that, automatically data will be added here for this our current nxt. Isn't it? So this to add data we can add it. If I want to